Hi everybody, it's Marika Soleil here with eXp Realty. I'm over here in West Kelowna and we are at the Sierras. We're going to do a quick video tour live of this wonderful listing we have listed. This home is a 3-bedroom plus den, which you can use as an office or extra bedroom, 2 baths and just over 1,500 square feet. The price on this one is $364,900. So for under $400,000, you have a lovely home, perfect for the growing family. So we're going to start on the outside and I'm going to take you guys through. So enjoy the tour, and if you have any questions, please just comment on this video, or you can call me or text me. My information will be in the comments also. Thanks so much. So that's the street that's going to be coming into your new home. There's a nice driveway here. You can easily turn around. And this is actually at the end of the block. So there are homes on this side, and then back here it's all green space. Over there you've got some nice hedges here, and you've got an entrance into your backyard, which we can peek into now. There's some bushes here. Those are raspberries. Lots of space back here. And those stairs over there go to your deck. Great view over here. There's some single family homes in the back here, but nothing too big that's going to compromise this view. All right, so now we're just going to go have a look inside. That's the entrance to the garage. And I will meet you guys in here. Hi again. So we're going to pop inside now, and I just wanted to quickly let you know about this area. So we're at the far end of West Kelowna, and you're pretty much close to everything you need in this neighborhood. There's schools close by, shopping, restaurants, coffee shops, you name it, you've got it. It's just a small, short drive away. Another thing to note, this home was built in 2007, so it is on the newer side. It has been updated. There's new appliances, stainless steel, the flooring's been done, it's been painted, and in all honesty, it's been kept immaculately. Very well maintained, the yard is maintained. It's just gorgeous in and out. So let's go inside and have a quick live tour. All right, so we're just walking in, and this is the entrance here. And it looks right, it comes right into the dining area. Right here, welcome. If anybody needs some information on this home, I'd happily send it over to you. So there's the kitchen, and we'll just do another nice pan over here. So right when you walk in, you've got a closet for your coats and all that good stuff. To the right, we've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, which we're going to go have a look at later. But first, we're going to head to the living area here. So you've got a nice gas fireplace, tons of space for your furniture. It's very open here. And from this angle, I'm all the way at the end of the house. There's our front entrance. So you can see there's a whole ton of room here. Okay. And here we have a fabulous den with some French doors. This is obviously being used as an office. Great view from your office window. It'll make you want to do a little bit of work, I think. And then just looking out from this angle. There you go. All right. Now let's just pop into the kitchen here. So very well maintained, nice appliances, gas range, nice cabinetry, very light and bright in here. We've got laundry in here. You can close the door so you don't hear it. Some cabinetry, a small deep freeze, and another pantry here. So tons of cabinetry and tons of space for everything. All right, quick break from our tour, and I'm going to now take you into the master bedroom, the master bath, And later on, I'm going to take you out to the deck so that you can see your amazing view and gorgeous green space to hang out in. All right, so we're going to wander into the master bedroom here. So there's tons of space. Like I said, all the rooms are very spacious here. We've got the closet right here, which is a nice size walk-in closet with shelving all the way to the top. And over here we have the bathroom, double sinks, nice large tub and shower, with a window, which is nice. And here we've just got another closet for all your towels and all that extra stuff. And a gorgeous, gorgeous part of this room is the patio and these doors, which go right out to this patio here and onto your green space. So let's just have a quick look over here. So this is coming out of your master bedroom. And on the left here, we've got your yard. So if you have any pets, they're more than welcome to hang out here. There's room for a trampoline and room for much more. All I can hear is grasshoppers and crickets, I guess, or some kind of lovely nature sound. Out here we've got a nice sitting area, and down here we have another sitting area as well as a beautiful garden, and I see some strawberries that I'm going to look at. Look at that. Full of strawberries. Look at all those strawberries. Yummy. I might have to sneak one of those later. All right, and here is the view from this way. So let's go back inside. Alrighty, so I apologize if this is shaky, but we are at the other side of the home now. So there's 2 bedrooms side by side, as well as a full bathroom here. So if you have kids, you know, they could be on this side of the house, and you can have your master bedroom on the other side. So this looks out to the front. Again, a very nice size room with a very nice size closet. There's another small closet here. Games and towels, whatever you'd like to throw in there. And here's the other bedroom. So it's essentially identical to the size of the one that we were just in. And again, there's a closet here, and this one actually has a second closet. There you go. And this one looks out to the back. There we go. All right, so that's pretty much all we have to see here. And there you have it. We're all done touring our home today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me. My phone number is 778-214-1773. I'll have this video up on Facebook and all over the place so that you can view it over and over again. And if you have any comments or questions, just let me know and I can comment right on Facebook, or you can call me. Alrighty? So have a wonderful day, and please share this video with as many people as you can. We'd love to have this home sold as soon as possible for our clients. Really looking forward to that day, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Thank you.